Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious rice recipe with you guys. Now let's start. I'm going to be using basmati rice, 2 carrots, 2 onions, one red and one white onions, cabbage, and I'm using peppers, of course, peppers, and one habanero, little bit of ginger, and 3 cloves of garlic. I'm using crayfish. I'm going to be rough blending this crayfish with the peppers, green peas, and tomato paste. And I'm using grounded beef as well. So now let's start the cooking. First of all, I just poured in my grounded beef in my pot. Then I'm going to fry this without oil. See, that pinky is not there anymore. That is it. Now I'm going to pour in my spices and seasonings. Feel free to use the spices and seasonings of your choice. Add in bay leaves, sliced onions, add in a piece of butter. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, even coconut oil. So fry this together, pour in the tomato paste. That is it, and that's the blended crayfish and the peppers and the onions, garlic and ginger. Pour it in, fry it together for 5 minutes. Now just poured in my washed rice. This rice I did not parboil, I just washed it thoroughly. Mix it together, fry it together for 5 minutes so that every grain of this rice just get this yummy dish. Add water to cover, powder seasoning, curry powder, nutmeg. Put it together, cover and let it cook till it's dry. If you have chicken broth, beef broth, just add that instead of water. That is it. Now I'm going to pour in the diced carrots, the cabbage, and the green peel. This food came out so delicious and it's very easy to put together. See, I just stir it all together. Add butter to cook it through and give it that shine. 5 minutes, my food is ready. You can serve this with beef, with fish, with chicken. You can as well eat it like that. So me and my family, we are just going to be having this for dinner just like that without any extra meat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share. Thank you. Bye.